I think I finally found the ultimate portable monitor for both Mac and iPad. Let's talk about the new 15-inch Espresso Pro. Before we get into the details, if you want to keep up to date with the latest Apple news and reviews, hit that subscribe button. Espresso displays has been around for a while. They've had 15 and 17-inch portable displays for years now. But the previous 15-inch was always limited to 1080p. They just now released a new model that pushes the panel to 4K, finally making it easy to recommend as my favorite portable display out there. I'll show you why. The new 15.6-inch Espresso Display Pro is a true 4K touchscreen display. It's got an aluminum body with a dark matte finish. This does add a little bit of weight, being made out of aluminum, but it's so much nicer than plastic. I've tested a few plastic ones and they feel very cheap and not very durable. Makes me question how they'll hold up when I actually move around with them. It's 60 Hz with an impressive 550 nits of brightness. That's actually 100 nits more than the more expensive 17-inch model. It supports over 11 billion colors, which is 100% of the AdobeRGB spectrum. That said, I feel like the color is the weakest point for this monitor. I believe it's around 81% of the P3 wide color gamut. Now, to be very clear here, the color is not bad at all. It looks great. It's bright, vivid, and well saturated. But when you're comparing anything against Apple's excellent displays in the MacBook Pro or M4 iPad Pro that do support 100% of the P3 wide color gamut, those deficiencies show, especially literally side by side. Compared to any of the other cheaper portable monitors out there, this is for sure better. If the best color accuracy is important to you, I'd recommend the 17-inch version, which does have 100% P3 coverage. Or, what I do when editing photos and videos, keep the color-sensitive content on the Mac or iPad screen rather than the external Espresso display. This display is incredibly easy to use. Maybe too easy. You literally just plug it in and you're good to go. It connects over USB-C and there are two Type-C ports on the side of the display. It was automatically detected and instantly extended our display when connected to both our Mac or our iPad. It draws between 9 to 13 watts of power depending on the brightness, so if your device can't supply that enough power, you'll need to connect an external power supply at the same time. When I tested this on my M4 iPad Pro as well as my 16-inch MacBook Pro, it worked completely fine, and no external power supply was needed. The iPad Pro is already rumored to include better external monitor support this fall with iPadOS 19, so this comes at a great time for iPad users. If you want to learn more about the rumored iPadOS 19 update, check out the video I did and I've linked it here. I also want to know if you've ever used your iPad with an external display. Sound off in the comments if you have or haven't and how you found it worked. When I connected to my Mac, it registered as a trackpad, allowing it to work out of the box as a touchscreen. Espresso does offer a stylus as well as an app for further configuration. That said, I didn't end up using it as much as a touchscreen, just not my thing. One thing you'll see here is that there's no buttons on the screen. That again makes it really easy to use. You don't have to turn it on or anything, but at the same time, it does limit you. There are some controls and you get at them by swiping up from the bottom with two fingers. You get brightness control, contrast, and volume for the built-in speakers. I wish it had a bit more control though, like maybe gamma adjustment, but I'll still take it. Aside from the display itself, there's the included stand. It's called the Stand Plus, and I love it. It magnetically connects to the back of the display, which easily allows it to work vertically, horizontally, or even in like a tablet angled mode. Compared to the previous regular stand, this one gets taller, while also being smaller and lighter. When it unfolds, you can get this high enough to place above your existing laptop or iPad screen, which is really cool for compact spaces. Seriously, this is an insanely cool display. It fits neatly into my backpack to bring with me wherever I go. Works great with iPad and Mac, is easy to use, and it looks great. Its build and image quality surpass any other comparably sized display we've tested. Yes, there are other cheaper options out there that are more than suitable. But if you're looking for uncompromised quality on a 15-inch portable display, this is the way to go. I love that it's cheaper, brighter, and overall, I think, better than the 17-inch version, other than the color spectrum. If you're interested in this, you can learn more and pick one up at the link in the description. Otherwise, let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next video.